Is it possible to bring our phone back from the dead? Today, we are attempting a total restoration on this absolute wreckage. The screen is completely pulverized, and the series dried mood caked into the speaker grill's and charging port. It looks beyond hope. Our repair expert picks it up for an initial assessment. The frame is noticeably bent, suggesting a high-impact fall or heavy pressure. The first step is the most delicate, opening the chassis without causing further damage to what's left of the internal hardware. Using a thin suction tool and a metal pry tool, he carefully breaks the adhesive seal. The tension in the room is palpable. As the screen lifts, we see the true extent of the damage. Tiny shards of glass have migrated deep into the battery compartment. He begins by removing the tiny pantalobe screws. Each one must be organized. Losing a single screw could ruin the entire reassembly. The motherboard is exposed. Unfortunately, there is visible corrosion near the power management chip, likely from moisture that seeped through the cracks. Using 99% isopropyl alcohol and a soft anti-static brush, he gently scrubs away the corrosion to prevent any electrical shorts. Now, he disconnects the ribbon cables. These are thinner than paper and require a steady hand to avoid tearing the delicate connectors. The old, punctured battery is hazardous and must be removed. He carefully pulls the adhesive tabs, hoping they don't snap mid-pull. With the phone fully disassembled, we can see the pile of broken parts next to the clean, empty frame. The restoration is halfway done. It is time for the new components. Here is the replacement OLED panel, vibrant, flawless, and ready to bring this device back to life. He installs the new battery first. A fresh power source is critical for the initial boot up test later on. The motherboard is carefully seated back into position. He secures the screws with surgical precision, ensuring the ground connections are solid. Now comes the difficult part, micro-soldering. A damaged trace on the board needs a bleach to restore the touchscreen functionality. With the soldering complete, he reconnects the new screen's display and the digitizer cables. Each click is a step closer to success. Before sealing everything up, he does a quick dry run to ensure all the connections are recognized by the system. Everything looks good. He applies a fresh bead of waterproof adhesive around the rim of the frame to restore the factory seal. The screen is lowered and pressed firmly. The alignment must be perfect, or the touch interface might glitch. Final screws are tightened. He cleans the outer glass with a microfiber cloth, buffing out every fingerprint and smudge. The tension builds. This phone was in pieces just hours ago. Now, it looks brand new. But will it actually power on? The moment of truth. He reaches for the power button. Everything depends on whether the motherboard survived the initial trauma. He presses and holds. The screen remains black for a hot-stopping few seconds. The room is silent. Suddenly, the backlight flickers. The manufacturer's logo appears in bright white. It's alive. The phone boots into the operating system. He swipes through the menus. The touch response is smooth and the colors are vibrant. From a piece of electronic scrap to a fully functional device. Another successful restoration that seemed impossible. Repairing what's broken isn't just about the hardware. It's about the satisfaction of a job well done. Restoration complete.